This technique is known as a yoga ball rollout. What I'm going to do is have my hands on the yoga ball. I'm going to have my feet on the ground. I'm going to start with it firmly on my forearms. And from here, what I want to do is roll up into a full plank, keeping my hips tucked and my abs tight, and then come back down and touch my knees to the ground. So I'm kind of curled up in a little ball. I'm going to come up, come back down, come up, squeezing everything tight, tucking my pelvis at the top and feeling my abs engaged while pushing into the ball. Come back down. And again, I can start by repping this. I can come up, that's one, come back down, come up, two. Now your knees can touch the ground, or you can stay on the balls of your feet if you like. Come onto it, come back down. I prefer this version personally. So, or I can hold it for periods of time. So I can start on the balls of my feet, 3, 2, 1, come back down. 3, 2, 1, come back down, just like so. But this is again working on developing core strength towards a solid plank, and also being able to stabilize myself, obviously, on the ball. The closer you put your feet together, the harder it's going to be to stabilize. The further they are apart, the easier it will be to stabilize. But this is a basic yoga ball rollout.